Hi everyone. They call it the Chuck Norris of baggers, and for good reason. This is a Harley-Davidson Road Glide custom by Southeast Custom Cycles. Built into a hot rod bagger with a level 5 to 130-inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 162 horsepower and 158 pound-feet of torque. It's raw power, precision engineering, and attitude. At its core beats the SECC Level 5 Powerhouse M8 Combination, armed with Screamin Eagle Custom Components. Jim's V-twin max cell 4.280 big bore pistons and cylinders unleash displacement like a heavyweight punch. CNC machine plus 2mm Screamin Eagle cylinder heads, a 68mm intake manifold, and high-flow throttle body keep the air and fuel flowing fast. 837B custom grind camshaft, premium XP roller lifters, and a high-torque clutch spring set ensure every ounce of power hits the pavement. Oil pressure? Monitored by an A1 cycles gauge. Primary drive? Reinforced with Star Racing billet steel compensator ramp and a Trask performance clutch basket. And every drop of fuel is precisely managed by a DTS fuel management system, tuned to perfection for maximum performance and economy. This machine wears a SECC custom paint set in black pearl, white pearl, and Spanish gold pearl. The full chassis blackout package blends gloss black and matte Spanish gold across frame pieces, engine covers, and more. A chopped detachable tour pack keeps the line sleek, while CVO-style side filler panels complete the bagger profile. Up front, an Arlen Ness Fat 18 wrap fender hugs the Fat 18-inch replica wheel set from RT Performance Parts, accented with custom divots. Metzler Cruise Tech tires keep it planted, while HHI radial mount 6-piston calipers and Arlen Ness titanium rotor hardware provide unmatched stopping power. And with a Dirty Air Stealth full air ride system, ride height adjusts instantly, slammed for show, lifted for the go. Cruising with the Chuck Norris of baggers means your soundtrack matters. Upgraded front decibel audio speakers deliver crystal clear sound, no matter how loud that Thunderhead X Series 2-in-1 exhaust roars. Command comes through performance machine fat bar handlebars with billet tooled risers, wrapped in Arlen Ness Speedliner grips. A PSR Anthem Series adjustable lever set, Kuryakyn teardrop mirrors, and Joker machine foot controls with slim highway pegs give total control at any speed. Even the details, like Codeland saddlebag hinge covers, are built to impress. Ride in comfort and style on a Saddleman step-up custom seat, upholstered in smooth Napa leather with black Alcantara inserts, diamond stitching, and a perfect fit for long miles. Custom Dynamics LED windshield mounted lights bring both style and safety, white for running, amber for sequential turns. This isn't just a custom road glide. It's Chuck Norris on two wheels, built to dominate the road, outgun the competition, and make its presence known long before you see it. Thanks for watching.